If you're thinking about buying your first home, congratulations. It's an exciting milestone. But before you start house hunting, there's one critical step you need to take: budgeting. Understanding how to budget for your first home purchase is key to ensuring you're financially prepared for the investment and all the associated costs. Today, I'm going to walk you through some practical steps to help you create a budget for your first home. Plus, my preferred lending partner and I can work with you to review your financial situation, determine your readiness, and help you create a plan to get you into your dream home. Before anything else, let's assess where you stand financially. Together, we'll review your credit score. Your credit score plays a significant role in the interest rate you qualify for. The higher your score, the better the rates. Evaluate your income and debts. Lenders use your debt-to-income ratio, DTI, to determine how much home you can afford. Ideally, you'll want a DTI below 43% for most loan programs. By working together, we'll get a clear picture of your financial health and determine what steps you need to take to get pre-approved for a loan, whether that's paying down debt or improving your credit score. The down payment is one of the largest upfront costs when buying a home. Traditionally, buyers aim for a 20% down payment to avoid private mortgage insurance, PMI, but many loan programs allow for lower down payments, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. FHA loans, for example, require as little as 3.5% down, and there are even some programs with no down payment required for eligible buyers, such as VA or USDA loans. Working with my lending partner will help you explore your loan options, calculate what you need for a down payment, and determine the best program based on your budget and financial goals. In addition to your down payment, you'll also need to account for closing costs, which typically range from 2% to 5% of the purchase price. These costs cover things like loan origination fees, appraisals, title insurance, and attorney fees. For example, on a $300,000 home, you might pay anywhere from $6,000 to $15,000 in closing costs, depending on the lender and the specifics of your loan. My lending partner and I will ensure you understand what costs to expect upfront, so there are no surprises. Moving into a new home involves more than just paying the mortgage. You'll also want to set aside money for moving expenses, repairs, and upgrades. Even if the home is in great condition, there's a good chance you'll need to budget for things like new furniture, appliances, or small repairs. We'll help you create a budget for those initial expenses so you're financially prepared when you move in. When budgeting for your first home, remember that property taxes and homeowner's insurance will be part of your monthly housing costs. These are usually bundled into your escrow account, so they're paid automatically along with your mortgage. We'll help you estimate these costs based on the location and size of the home you're interested in. By knowing what to expect, you'll be better prepared to factor in these ongoing expenses. Owning a home means you'll also be responsible for maintenance and unexpected repairs. While renters can call their landlord if the water heater breaks down, homeowners need to have funds set aside for these situations. It's a good idea to budget at least 1% of your home's value per year for maintenance. So, for a $300,000 home, plan to set aside about $3,000 annually for upkeep. Creating an emergency fund for unexpected repairs is also crucial. My lending partner and I will work with you to ensure you've accounted for these costs in your budget and are financially prepared for the responsibilities of homeownership. Part of budgeting for your first home involves understanding your loan options. My preferred lending partner will sit down with you to explain the different types of loans available, from conventional loans to government-backed programs like FHA, VA, and USDA loans. Each has its own set of requirements, down payment rules, and interest rates. Together, we'll review your financial situation and help you choose the loan that best fits your budget and long-term goals.